I listened to your talk on YouTube. I think you are talking Ayurveda in a different language.
I've read only one Veda, sir, that is this one.
Inner exploration is very important. That is the place where Ayurveda is born. It was a Shrunga Bhasma, the Harina Shrunga Bhasma. And after certain year, the antler drop out. And that Mruga Shrunga is used for cardiac complication, for disease like arthritis, rheumatism. So then a thought came, why it is so medicinal? So then they realized that the deer eat weeping willow's bark, weeping willow's leaves. And that weeping willow is the natural source of aspirin. Then they found nowadays they are using aspirin to prevent heart attack. It is a blood thinner, it is an anti-inflammatory. But in Ayurveda, they are using Harina Shrunga or Mruga Shrunga Bhasma. And we can use Mruga Shrunga Lepa to the external joint, and that will act as an anti-inflammatory. It will relieve the swelling, pain, and inflammation much under control.
Right now, everywhere videos are going around on the WhatsApp and everything in the social media, that every day if you touch a cow, hug a cow, do this, you will get mental and emotional balance.
Absolutely. Yeah. And that is a special cow about Brahmin cow, which has a hump. And they say that Brahmin cow hump has a Sushumna Nadi that goes to her udder, and that absorbs solar energy. And that ghee prepared out of Indian cow doesn't increase cholesterol, that's the beauty of it. But the Western cow who has a flat back, it is like modified buffalo. Yeah. And they have big udder, and that milk from the Western cow is rich in cholesterol, and person can get heart attack. So the
I would like to ask you one thing. Right now in Kerala, people are claiming, and we don't know how much of it is true, but I know some of it is true. People have preserved ghee in the earth. They buried it in the earth and kept it for over 100 years. And it seems this ghee has tremendous healing
Absolutely,
possibilities. Can you say something?
Yeah. That is called Shata. Shata means 100 years. Shata Varsha, Shata Samvatsaram Ghritam means the ghee is buried in a clay pot into the soil, 100 years. Because when ghee is staying in the soil for 100 years, that much long time, some molecular changes happen within the ghee. And that ghee is rich in ojas. It is rich in tejas, and it is rich in prana. Because ultimately the pure essence of Vata dosha is prana, pure essence of Pitta is tejas, and Kapha is ojas. And at cellular level, ojas, tejas, prana, they maintain cellular metabolic activity, cellular intelligence, and flow of communication. Prana is a flow of communication. So at cellular level, ojas, tejas, prana, they are operating and enhancing the cellular life. So this 100 years old ghee, Purana Ghritam, is the best medicine for eczema, psoriasis. Even if you take internally, it can heal peptic ulcer, ulcerative colitis, IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, many disorders, even autoimmune diseases. This Purana Ghritam is Sreshtam, Ojas Karam Param. So this promotes ojas.